Oh, hi there, everyone. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I am your girl, Norleen, with another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. Come along with me while I take you on a Jamaican cooking experience that you will never forget. I will be doing tofu Jamaican style. All right, family and friends, welcome to my kitchen. So on the plate, I have a pound of tofu that I've cut in 5 slices, and then I'm gonna cut it in 3 slices the other direction and then cut it in half. So I will have about 30 chunks of tofu. Now I'm gonna season this, and you can season it with your desired powdered season, black pepper, onion powder, garlic, salt, whatever your desire, you can season the chunks. Then I'm going to move to make the batter to coat the chunks of tofu. So in a bowl, guys, I have cornstarch, about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. To that, I will add a tablespoon of blended seasoning and some powder season. I'm adding some Creole season, some black pepper, some steak season and all-purpose season, and I've added to that some water, just enough water to get the mixture smooth enough but not runny. Now, guys, I want you right now to smash that subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Subscribe to my channel so you can see awesome, authentic Jamaican recipe. You can see authentic Jamaican food being prepared right in front of your eyes. You can also follow me on Instagram at WIMMS 2020 and like my page on Facebook at Walking in My Mother's Shoes. Now, while you're at it, guys, remember to press that like button. Give this video a thumbs up if you're watching on Facebook. And remember, guys, leave your comment in the comment section below. Share your thoughts about this video or suggest any other Jamaican dish that you'd like to see me prepare. To the seasoned tofu, I will add the cornstarch mixture and 1 small half-beaten egg, and I'm just gonna toss this so that I get the tofu coated on all sides, and I will just let it sit for just maybe about 5 to 10 minutes and then get straight to the frying of the tofu. In 3/4 cups of hot oil, I will add the tofu individually because I don't want them to stick together when they are frying. I want to remind somebody that you are valuable to God. The food for thought comes to us from Jeremiah 31 and verse 3, and it says, "Yes, I have loved you with an everlasting love. Therefore, with a loving kindness, I have drawn thee." God's love for you is relentless, immeasurable, and infinite. On medium heat flame, allow your tofu to brown on both sides until it's golden brown. This is looking awesome. It is perfectly fried, and I will remove them and place them in a dish to drain. I will remove and leave about 2 tablespoons of oil in the frying pan and add to that an assortment of bell pepper and half of a large onion. To that, I will add half a cup of chicken stock and 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. I've added also 2 tablespoons of sweet and sour sauce, maybe 3 tablespoons, I did not really measure it, and about a tablespoon of stir fry sauce. You can use soy sauce if you want. I just wanted something with color and flavor, and that's what I opted to use. I'm gonna add some powder season to that, stir it all, and then add back to that my fried tofu. Now guys, it's time to nice up the thing. So I'm gonna add half can of peach, stir this in. I did not add any garlic nor pepper because if you notice when I was frying the tofu, garlic and scotch bonnet pepper. But if you want more flavor, add some more garlic and scotch bonnet pepper. I've added to that some allspice, half a tablespoon of butter, and some fresh tomatoes. Guys, I'm just gonna lower the flame and just allow all the flavors to seep and to incorporate into the tofu. Add a little bit of salt for flavor if you so desire. It's really up to you. You can add more bell peppers like I said. You can add scotch bonnet pepper and it's all done. Now there it is, guys. It's another of my favorite from my pot onto my daughter's table. I'm just garnishing it with some green onion, guys, and this is just magnificent. It is beautifully done and plated, and I can assure you this tastes equally magnificent. As a matter of fact, I can tell you it is awesome. It's divine with that cucumber. You get that balance of crunch with your tofu and the different flavors from the peaches and the onion, and oh, this is just mere goodness. You can add any side to this. It's awesome, it's delicious, and it makes a delightful Jamaican dish. Thank you for coming along with me in the kitchen doing tofu Jamaican style.